শুরু হয়েছে। আসসালামু আলাইকুম। Now I am going to take a class on online from Amanullah Adarsh Vidyaniketan as an English teacher. Today I will take a class on grammatical items, completing sentence. Today our class is on completing sentence. The class is for 9-10. Completing sentence. At first, we will know what is completing sentence. Suppose I am writing here a sentence. He is so weak that after writing he is so weak that I have given some gaps. Now what we will write in the gaps? He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. Then the sentence is a complete sentence. By this way, we will complete the sentences given in our coursing second paper. Completing sentence, we will now discuss the rules of completing sentence. Rules of completing sentences. Our first rule is if plus subject plus verb 1 or verb base form or present form, then object. Then we will write here subject plus will plus v1 or verb base form, then others. It is a conditional sentence and it is our first condition. If the sentence is first condition, then here will be future indefinite. If the sentence is second condition, if plus subject plus v2 plus object or verb second form, then subject plus would plus v1 plus others. It is our second condition. Then third condition, if plus subject plus had plus V3 plus object, then subject plus would have plus V3 plus here I have written three structures or three rules of completing sentence. Our first rule is first condition, second condition, second rule is second condition, and third rule is third condition. Rule 4, had plus subject plus V3, then subject plus would have V3 and others. Here third condition and rule 4 are same. Rule 5, it is high time. If we get the sentence, the incomplete sentence is it is high time, then we will write here subject V2 or verb A past form, then others, or 2 plus verb A base form plus others. Dear student, already I have written here 5 rules of completing sentence. If you practice these rules regularly, you will be able to complete the sentences in your second paper in completing sentence. I think you all have understood the 5 rules. Now I will show how you will write the sentences in a completing sentence. When you will write, you will see the sentence. If the sentence is start subject then verb. If the subject is a person, then you will take the subject here. If the person is noun, then you will take here pronoun. Suppose we if we study regularly. If we study regularly, the sentence is started, the subject is we. Then we will take here firstly we. After that we will see the structure of sentence. The sentence is first condition and after it subject then verb base form. Now we will write future indefinite. we will make a good result. Technique 2, it is our first technique of writing the sentence in the gaps. Second technique, if the subject then verb, here there is a object. Subject is also person or personal. Object is also a person or personal. If the subject and object are given in the sentence, then we will take here the subjective form of object. We will take here the subjective form of the object. Suppose if you help me, if you help me, here we have got me. Then we will take here a subject I. After that, we will see the structure. It is our first condition. Then we will write here I will help you. Our third technique is subject verb. If the subject is not a person or personal, it may be any object or without person. If the subject is without person, then we will take here a person as a suffix. Suppose it is high time. The subject here is not a person. Then we will take here a subject of person. We started our journey. By using these three techniques, we can easily complete a sentence. We will try these techniques for writing completing sentence or answer the question of completing sentence. Now we will discuss other rules of completing sentences. Already we have discussed 5 rules. Now rule 6. Hardly had or scarcely had. If the sentence is started with hardly had or scarcely had, after that subject verb past participle, then we will write here when. After when we will write subject and verb to. Rule 7. No sooner had subject V3, then subject V2. Rule 8. As soon as subject V2, then subject V2. Dear student, I have written here 3 rules. Before 3 rules, I have written 5 rules. Here, these 3 rules, which part of the sentence we will complete are same. After subject, verb 2. If we practice this way, then the completing sentence will be very easy to you. If you practice these rules regularly, then you will be able to complete the sentences very easily. Dear student, today I have discussed 8 rules of completing sentences. You will practice these rules in your home. You will practice these rules and you must be able to write the completing sentence. In my next class, I will start my class. I will start my class after 8 rules. My next class will be also on completing sentence. Many thanks to join my online class, and goodbye to all you. In meeting, na?